viewers, after 12 years, the Mahakumbh is being held in Prayagraj, providing an important opportunity to showcase Indian culture to the world. The divinity and grandeur of the Mahakumbh will not only be visible at the Sangam, but will be resonating as devotees are flocking to Ayodhya. It will begin as soon as one enters Prayagraj. Grand entrance gates have already been constructed on all the major roads which are leading to the city, which will offer devotees a deep sense of Indian spirituality. The entrances leading towards the Sangamam are named Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati, and also Nilkant. While 3 of these gates were originally constructed during the 2019 Earth Kumbh, they have been renovated and beautified this time. The total cost of renovation reported to be a whopping as much as 19 crore rupees. Take a look at these ground reports.
Well, as millions are expected to take holy dip, security is paramount. Security has been heightened in Prayagraj, not just on land, but also underwater. And to carry out this monumental task of securing people and devotees who are coming to Prayagraj, at the base level, you can see that multiple checkpoints have been made to regulate entry. You can see the barricades and the presence of police personnel all around this area. There are 7 layers of security right from this starting point till Sangam. That is where people take holy dip. That is a confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. Secondly, advanced surveillance is being done, in fact, using AI-based CCTV camera, AI-based drone and also face recognition camera on each and every pole. Right from the start till you reach Sangam, you will see CCTV camera, you will see drones flying in and around this area as well. And police is keeping a hawk eye on the devotees that have come here from control and command center. In fact, on all the CCTV cameras as well. And there, very importantly, there is a 3rd layer of security, that is the river security. And you will in fact be amazed to know that how the Sangam is being secured. Now here you can see this is the boat by UP Police. Now to secure the river as well, there are underwater drones. There are in fact deep water barricading along a 8-kilometer stretch. There are 3 water police stations, 2,500 water police personnel is what we are learning.
And there's a special care which is being taken for the convenience of the devotees. A 15-kilometer Ganga riverfront has already been built in the Mahakumbh area. The devotees are flocking there obviously for their spiritual confluence. Take a look at these reports which have been filed in. Okay, Rishabh is joining us live on the broadcast. Rishabh, give us a sense of, the scale, really, the grandeur which you were seeing around you and the mood in the holy city of Ayodhya.
Well, Meenakshi, the mood is jubilant, and I asked my camera person to show. We are here at the entrance of the Mahakumbh Mela. This is how the entrance looks like. From here, there is a 3-kilometer long road that goes towards Sangam, and there are multiple layers of barricading for security purpose. But also, having said that, the administration is ensuring that all the devotees who are coming in, remember, we are talking about an estimate of 40 crore devotees who would be thronging Prayagraj for the Poon Kumbh that is happening after a gap of 144 years, given that after 12 Mahakumbhs, there is Poon Kumbh. Let's try and talk to the people here and understand what they are here for and what brings them to the Kumbh. Ma'am, where are you from first?
मैं गुजरात सूरत से हूँ। हमारा यहाँ शिविर है राष्ट्रीय परशुराम परिषद, जहाँ मैं 50 दिन रुकने के लिए आई हूँ, पूरा कुंभ यहाँ पे।
तो आप पूरे कुंभ में यहाँ पे रहेंगे। अब कब आई हैं?
मैं कल आई हूँ 50 दिन के लिए। कल हम लोग
Absolutely, the mood upbeat. Obviously, we will keep an eye on all the developments from Mahakumbh. But for now, shifting our focus, Amit Shah, the Home Minister.